Hi, my name is Alexander and welcome to the nanoLuka YouTube channel. Today I am going to do something I never planned for this channel, something completely off topic as it happens due to a series of most unfortunate events. I am holding a brand new Xiaomi Redmi 8 smartphone. So let's open it up and see what's inside. As the final test of our phone today, I am recording this last scene of this video using the phone itself, both the camera and the mic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In order not to miss any of our future videos and projects coming up, please do follow us on GitHub, Instagram and Twitter. Also, of course, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel. And if you do like what we do, consider supporting us via Patreon. Thanks for watching, and a very special thank you to all the patrons out there. See you around.